everyone, and welcome to the video on my channel for today. So I'm Snowmoon, and I am going to do an unboxing video. I just got home. I have been working a lot lately, but I got this box, and this just happens to be one of my favorite boxes. But it is my Witch's Roots box. Now, Witch's Roots is 31, well, it's like 29 on its website, but it equals out to like $31 a month, and it comes with an assortment of fun things, incense, candles, a lot of fun things. So, I do love this box. They do have 3 different tiers. One is called the Witch's Moon, and the other one's called the Witch's Bounty. If I had the money, I'd get them all, but since I don't even get paid for my videos, I don't make the money for them all. So, but the links are all in the description if you want to try it out. And without further ado, we are going to get into this box. This box theme was called the Plant Guide. I can't wait to see what's in it. And it always smells so good. So, ooh, it's kind of got brown earthy tones to it. And when you look at it, it's got all this fun stuff. This right here will tell us what's in the box, which we will set aside. And then we get a couple of other pieces of paper, which I'll explain. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. So, that is very potent smell. Let me get a drink of my drink, and we will dive in. So with this box, you do get all kinds of different things. Like the main thing I love is you get a piece of artwork, and usually it is a artwork that explains an herb or a flower of some kind. Most of them are classified as herbs. This one is a yarrow. And it does give like all of the benefits and animals it's associated with and the magical beings properties. This is always fun to look at. I love getting them. I can't wait to have like one of those frames where like you can put 3 and then I can put like 1, 2, 3 and just decorate my whole house with them. This one came with a Seal of Solomon. I'm pretty sure it is a ritual of some kind. There's an anointing oil in here, but it does give all kinds of a description. I will look what this is exactly, so we will set this to the side. The first thing I pull out of this box, it says Language of Flowers. I'm pretty sure these are cards of some kind. I'm not sure if they're tarot or rune, but we will find out. And the herb I got this time is a yarrow. Usually your herb is whatever the artwork is. And you can use your herbs in multiple different ways. Some are you can use for cooking your tea. Some are more of an altar or like just, what is that called? That stuff that you get in a bag and potpourri. Or just, you can have a little cabinet and put all your little herbies in it. So that's the herb. The candle that I got in this one is a purple candle. They are all beeswax candles. And they usually don't have much of a scent. They're just ritual candles of color. Let's see what else we got in here. I know what I'm not going to get. I already know I'm not getting this time. Oh, sad things. But that's okay. Yeah. So I got my incense. I do like getting my incense. They give 2, 4, 6, 8 sticks of incense. They're all hand done and they all smell fantastic. And in this bag, I guess my talisman is my stone. And then the other thing is the ritual of some kind, but it looks like it is a heart crystal. I will look into this to see exactly what the stone is. It looks like almost a crystal or a moonstone. And the other item I got, which I don't have a dipper for, so is an anointing oil, which it says that it's just a plant guide anointing oil, which came with this whole description cut out and put in here for some reason. It's more of a sunflower. Ooh, that's got a really nice smell. It's got jasmine and cedarwood, yingling, lavender, lemongrass, and neroli oil, as well as yarrow and elderflowers in them. I don't know if you can see that they have herbs in them, but they do. I do love them. The oil is from a base of sunflower oil, and it is external use only. You can use it on your hands, on your whatever. Like, it's just an oil. Sometimes I put them in the bath. So, this says I was supposed to get. So let's see what it says. My herb, yarrow, which you can put in the tea. My artwork. We will open the cards before I put everything away. Spell candle. Selenite heart with pink pouch. It's the stone of peace and elegance, which is why floral ritual incense, and this is the Seal of Solomon book of shadow artwork. So this is the first Seal of Solomon card created by A.E. Alden. This artwork references the third pentacle of Venus, known for its magical influences over love, respect, and admiration. You can use it during the ritual. I mean, you can cut out the seal right here and use it for the ritual if you'd like. I don't really do ritual work, but that's okay. I am more into divination, incense, stones, knowledge, that kind of stuff. So before I pack, and then the anointing oil, which I stuck back here. So before I pack away all of the goodies, I don't pack them away. I kind of disperse them where they need to be. I put my incense with my incense and my artworks all together so that when I get my house, I can actually do it. But it doesn't, no, they're just flower cards. Oh, but they're really pretty. So, like, this one just says it's gardenia awareness. Wake up, roll the clouds away, and look. And it's got a nice, pretty photo of artwork of a gardenia on it. But these are nice. I like these. But then I like flowers. I mean, I don't like flowers like I want a flower garden, but I like flowers as in I don't mind putting a little bit of flowers in my house. This is my favorite flower, so let's see what it says about me. My favorite flower, it says assertiveness, rise up, stand strong and true, which I do, and my favorite flower is the sunflower. So those are nice. So altogether, that is the Witch's Roots box for April. I am stoked to get it. I do like the fact that it had flowers. The only thing that I could imagine this having with it would be, I don't have a clue, to be honest. I mean, I did get a talisman, but that's okay because I got a ritual, and there are a lot of people out there that do the rituals. I do like getting a talisman. I have gotten like this right here. I do have my lotus oil back here. So you do get an oil of some kind. Sometimes they're more of a perfume in a spray bottle, which I don't see one of them at the moment to show you. But, and then sometimes there's a little oil, and sometimes they have droppers in them. So that's nice. I did like the little heart thing. I always keep the twine. So that is the Witch's Roots box for April. And if you like this kind of unboxing, or you like my unboxings, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All of the links to anything that I unbox is in the description. Just click the link and go sign up if that fancies you. And I will see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye, guys.